road's this?
Glisdale.
Glisdale.
Bridge.
Glisdale Bridge.
Yeah.
Oh yes, bit of kayaking in the Lake District. This sort of spot. Oh, we're just going to have to carry it down here, aren't we?
Oh, it's alright this. Hey,
Ah!
it's alright this, really. Innit? Nice little rocks and that. Hey, that's it.
I've got to go back up, haven't we?
No, I mean, what?
Yeah, sound here, lad. Our own little beach. Innit?
Yeah, man. Better. Hey, innit?
Oh, yeah. Look at this. Fucking hell, belter. Oh, yes. What a morning for a bit of kayaking. Wow. Right. Get the kayaks and get back to you. Get this dry bag, take me drone. Don't fancy leaving it on the side here. Oh. Tell you about it's roasting today. Stash this key somewhere, innit? What? Yeah. Boss, innit, lad? Nice and calm. Going to that island. There's nothing in the backpacks, is there? Could have just put the backpacks on the kayaks. We'll go over that to that island, get some drone footage on it, eh? People camp on there, you know. Yeah? Made it to the island. Oh. But the water's not even cold either. Oh. I'm get me wrong, I wouldn't like to fucking fall in it right over there, like, but... Oh, it's slippy. Slippy, slippy, slippy. I know. Ah! Bitch! Lucky there, weren't it, with that big boat?
I was thinking then, hey, I was getting the backlash of all that.
Oh, it's just a little bit slippy getting up. This is the life, this. What a day for it. Would have been too hot for me to be doing mountains today, lad. Soon to be doing this in this weather. What are you doing?
Get out.
How not to get out of a kayak?
What, isn't it? You're just ramming your mates.
Take off.
What's a Pattersdale?
Interesting.
Oh no, I'll put it up anyway. What's the island called? Does it come up on your phone? It's only a short little paddle from over there as well. Just got to watch out for the big boats. Right, we're just on Norfolk Island and the fighter just went literally about 30 feet above us. So let's see if we can get another, innit?
Yeah, it's sleeping.
Oh, that was loud, that.
One coming out again.
See, look, the boats are going close to the side, lads, so it doesn't matter where we go. We're going to get his kayaks there, lad, we're in that boat heading towards them.
That's one of them, yeah, see.
Can't you kayak? You're messing.
Yeah.
Oh, just imagine if they floated away.
Flagging
I wouldn't even attempt to swim that, lad, you get cold water shock. Yeah, careful. So leaving this little island to get a pot noodle down us.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage. Right, bit of weight on the boat. Yeah. Lean over. There you go. Just hopefully them big boats don't come in. Huh? What? He's stuck on it. Well, lad, gotta say, I think this is the best day so far on the kayaks. The best day so far on the kayaks. Norman, the kayak.
Norman the kayak. And he's proud of his name. I'm just sussed now, lad. Get used to the waves and the boats.
That's the furthest you've been out, isn't it?
I don't want to fucking leave, innit? No sitting there.
Just, I know. Got your light jacket on, haven't you? Yeah, you can pull yourself back in. Pull
the canoe in.
Just look at it, man. What beautiful time. Fucking gorgeous day. Posh little spot, this, isn't it, Carl?
Yeah,
Our own little beach. Just parked up there, up the little hill. Just 2-minute walk. What's that island called?
Norfolk Island.
Norfolk Island. Short paddle over. What a day! There's little spaces down there as well to park, but you got to get up early. Yeah. Wake you up, that lad, get in it.
I've got
No,
my- I've got
an heart attack.
I've got my clothes, look at all it.
Ah,
I've got my clothes.
haven't you?
That's what I forgot.
Oh, right, we're done for today, us. Pattertail. Oh, is it Pattertail?
Wow.
Glenridding on the lake. Anyway, that's us done for today, so on to the next.